Hey guys, I'm gonna make a walkthrough video of the garden because it's just so addictive. And let's check it out. We're just gonna explore and honestly just kind of see what we can find here. Loving the color and the growth. Obviously we've got some tomatoes here. But moving right along, some peppers, I'll just step back here. Some plants are growing differently, right? And I understand people say they need more space, but you know what? I'm gonna work with what I got. I got a lot of plants. I can't spread them out too much more. So it is what it is. But if we look at this guy, this plant that has this really beautiful purple stalk, which is I've got it labeled as a peach purple scorpion, but if we look, it's like spreading out, right? So this over this pot is part of this plant here. It's growing over here. Likewise, it's spreading over here, and it's just trying to soak up all the rays. So yeah, some plants are more opportunistic growers. Maybe they're seeking that light, and some of them are leaning in different directions, and I think it's just, at first I thought it was wind, but I actually think it's more like where they think the sun is going to be. So let's walk through and take a look here. A lot of stuff flowering. This is a little, I think it's a Jonah Marique, I believe is how you pronounce it. Right there, Jonah Marique. Moving right along here. Here's one that's got pods on it. This is a T-Rex butterscotch. That looks pretty cool. And there's several on there. I mean, it's growing peppers on various places on the branches. So yeah, we got some T-Rex butterscotches coming along. And I'm exploring as I do this. I honestly don't know what we'll find. Got some overgrown tomato plants hogging the space. Not sure if I like that. Here's the little guy. This is orange carbublo. I don't know how you pronounce it. Carballero. Maybe it's carballero. Orange carballero. Either way. Let's see what else we got here. It's funny, some plants that are bigger don't have fruit yet, and some of my smaller plants do, of the same species. Like one that was planted later and isn't as big. On some plants, not all, has peppers already. Look at this. This is tall. That's over 4 feet tall. And that is a purple reaper. It's a purple reaper plant. It's over 4 feet tall. That's cool. I'm saying that by eyeballing it, but I'm pretty sure. Hey David, come here.
What?
Stand up beside this plant. Right there. Let's see if it's taller than you. You're 4 feet tall. That big tall one. Stand beside it and look at Daddy. Oh yeah. That plant's 4 feet tall. Right? It's about as tall as you, yep. And then here we've got, oh man, my labels are faded. It's another orange carballero. Maybe is how you pronounce it.
What's that one? That's
Well, let's keep looking. I'm sure there's more. There's stuff that I need to pick here. These dang spots. You guys get a lot of black spots on your plants. Here's an ahi Peruvian. That's exciting. Looking forward to the ahis. Those will be tasty. And as I mentioned, this plant is one of them that I'm referencing. It's smaller than the other one, but it has peppers growing and the other one doesn't yet. It's picking out some bad leaves, guys. You know, some of these have like hidden peppers. Like, look at this guy. Beautiful plant. You know, from the outside view, you don't see anything. But if you look down in there, it's got the goods. And there's more of them growing under these leaves. And let's see what this is. This one is white Moruga. So that'll be cool. I love the color variety. Moving right along. Right here we've got, oh yeah, this is one I'm really excited about. Another one that's going to be tasty. If I can get in here. The yellow Scotch brain. So it's like a Scotch bonnet and something brain mixed together. But yeah, again, got these spots. Yellow Scotch brain's got peppers. And it's growing in my way here. It's trying to lean to where that sun is, I guess. Look how pretty that is. The contrast of some of these leaves compared to others is really cool. And I'm just snooping around. He's got some little peppers growing here. RB003 starting. I've got another one I know has got pods on it. This guy's leaning in. Here's one. Let's see what's in here. No pods yet that I see initially. Here we go. Chocolate Bootla. Chocolate Bootla. There's a couple on there. I'm definitely not catching everything here. I'm just not trying to make this video too long. This one I've got labeled as an orange primo. Got some orange primos. Orange primatali. Got that fire. Oh yeah, here's a chocolate death spiral. We got chocolate death spiral. That should be a nice warm one. Now let's not forget our beloved, this is supposed to be a 7-pot primo. And here we've got, that might be a mystery here. This one's not labeled. Either the tag is hidden, or a couple of them I lost the tag. So here's a mystery fruit, mystery pepper. We'll find out. It's something super hot. And again, I'm honestly missing a lot here, but don't want to take up too much time with the video. But I do want to be somewhat thorough as well. So, isn't this just beautiful? Here's another Oh, these are little bell pepper plants. Some RB003. Getting bumpy. Definitely one of my favorites. I don't know which way to go. Let's go this way. Here's one that isn't labeled. It's probably under something. I swear I had a label. Anyway, check this out. I'll either find the label or figure it out when it gets closer to time. But this one's got peppers on it. Kind of going all over the place. Here's one. Oh yeah, this is a the original Scotch bonnet, no Scotch brain, just Scotch bonnet peppers here. Yummy. And again, I don't see the label here, but I'm sure between one of these I know one of them is a ghost. I don't want to mess up my leaves to show you the peppers. Gotta take care of my babies. But anyways, you get the idea. A lot of pods in production here. And I definitely know I'm not missing that many labels. So they're hidden. This one's not. I don't see the label right off either. It's under the mulch or something. I'll have to find it. But yeah, a lot of growth. A lot of pods popping off. Which is what it's all about, right? Good stuff. Here's another. Oh, this is I got this one labeled as Caramel Primo. Interesting. And we've got the one and only Carolina Reaper plant. These pods are pretty small right now, but they're starting. It's got some little pods. If I can get it to focus, I'd show you. Anyway, Reapers. Oh, here's some cool stuff. Well, I'm not getting a good focus here. And again, my label's covered up here. Oh, this is a Trinidad Scorpion. Looking forward to that one. Trinidad Scorpions. Let me get out of this jungle. Got some Dragon's Breath. Dragon's Breath peppers coming in. Need to prune a couple of these plants. I skipped this one. This one's supposed to be Andes Unreaper Green. Actually, I know it is, unless the pods were crossed, because I took these out of the plant. And I remember Andes Unreaper Green very well when eating them, so it's a pretty distinct pepper. And yeah, looking forward to these, honestly. My focus game kind of sucks right now. But there's more. And I won't show you everything, but here's one that literally was struggling down to a twig. and it's bounced back. It's almost the size of the one next to it. That's cool. Didn't give up on it, figured we'd just let it grow and see what happens, and it grew. But yeah, there's more I'm not catching here, but you get the idea. Here's another. But yeah, a lot of peppers in the works here. Doesn't that just look cool? Look at that angle there. It's lush and green. So hope everybody has a happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. Support your country, and you know, we're blessed to have a country with freedoms and liberties and justice for all. Anyway, all right guys, happy